Hi guys, I'm Louise and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all the plants that I bought in December of 2020, and this year has been full of plants and everything, and plants are like being like the one good thing in life and always surprising us in the best ways possible. So without further ado, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So I'm going to start off with the weirdest plants this month, and that is the spiralis plant, or the Junkis efficus. I will put a little name at the bottom here of the actual name. I think I got that right, but I will just pop it in there just so you know the actual name for it. So you have seen this plant in a video quite a while back, must have been about a month ago now, or a couple of weeks. I will link that below if you want to see that. But yeah, so this is my spiralis plant. It's actually really crazy. It's also known as the corkscrew plant because of these lovely like corkscrew kind of vines, should I say? I'm not really sure what to call them, but it's just really cool. I was actually just shopping for food and I came across this and I just thought, wow, that is so cool. This plant is like a plant that you can never like overwater, just underwater. So like I just keep watering it every like Sunday, which is when I do my plant watering day. I don't often water all my plants, but I always water this guy every single Sunday without a doubt. The next plant I'm going to show you is my lovely blue star fern. Absolutely love this plant. The reason I got this one is because it looks very like a like the leaf shape looks like a Philodendron Floral Ghost, or any of the philodendrons, like the Philodendron squamiferum and that. I just love like the shape of the leaves, and it's just so cool. And like the one coolest thing about this plant is that when it gets new growth, it's like really fuzzy. So as you can see there, it looks like mold, or like it's fluffing over, but that is the new growth, and that is so cool, and I love it so much. I just thought this plant was absolutely amazing, and it's just crazy. Yeah, so it's actually doing really well for me at the moment, and it loves its new home. It might need a humidifier because it is going quite like a little crispy in some places, but it's doing well apart from that, and I absolutely love the look of it as well. So the next plant I want to show you is my lovely watermelon peperomia. I love this plant so much, and it is so cool. Like, the leaf texture is like the only reason why I wanted it, or like leaf pattern. It just looks like a watermelon, and it's absolutely cute. This guy is in need of like a bigger pot, because when it got shipped to me it is in quite a small pot, but I don't really want to risk it and move it up a size during the winter, so it's just kind of happy as it is at the moment. But yeah, this guy was bigger than I thought it would be. Like, I didn't realise I ordered a medium because that's all they had it in, and when it came it was like, wow, I didn't even realise how big these leaves can get, and it's crazy because they can get even larger. So yeah, I love this plant so much. Look at it, oh my god. Alright, on to the next one. So the next plant I'm going to show you is quite a sad plant at the moment, and it's my variegated lipstick plant. And she is so adorable, and I love like the variegation on this, but she's very sad. She's like lost all her leaves. So I got this as a it's not really a cutting, I just got it without the pot. It arrived without the pot, and then I put it in the pot and watered it, and I might have accidentally shocked it and watered it loads, so the leaves kind of started dropping off, and I just kind of let it just dry out. And when it was like completely dry and I left it for like, and then I watered it again, and then it was losing more leaves, so I'm not really sure what's happening. I have put it up by my humidifier, so hopefully it might sort itself out. I might have to look up into like more about the variegated lipstick plant, or just the lipstick plant in general, because this guy is very not happy at the moment, and I literally have no idea why or how. So yeah, this was very happy before it got to me, and now it just hates me. It just hates being with me apparently. So yeah, it's my variegated lipstick plant. So you've seen this plant before, and I have showed it to you in the past, but not as like what I bought, just as a look what I got sort of thing. And that was with the plant hanging basket which I got. Plant hanging basket which I got, and I've put my Philodendron Brazil in, and I absolutely love this plant. It's so cute. I love like all different leaves, like all the leaves are different in some way or another, and I just think it's absolutely amazing how like it's not just the same leaf, there's like different types of leaves, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, I guess you do, but yeah, I got this in this lovely hanging macrame basket, which I have showed you in my macrame DIY video, just showing you the process of how I made my very own without particularly any instructions whatsoever. So yeah, I will link that video down below if you want to check that out really. So yeah, so that's my Philodendron Brazil, absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait for her to start training down. She has started to just a tiny bit, but I can't wait for her to like, properly hang over the edge. So yeah, so that's my Philodendron Brazil. So now I'm going to show you a couple of baby plants that I have bought. If you follow me on Instagram, then you have probably seen them in the past when I've posted them on my story. So yeah, let's just get into it. So the first one I'm going to show you is my Philodendron Silver Saw. This is such a cutie. I love the leaves, like a silvery green colour, absolutely stunning. I've just recently found out there's like a variegated version of this, and it's like super rare, so like hopefully at some point I may be able to get I might get my hands on like one, but I really much doubt it. But look at that, I love this version just as much as the variegated one. Yeah, so the next one I'm going to show you is my baby Prince of Orange, absolutely stunning. I love the leaves, and yeah, all the bottom leaves had died. Not doing particularly well at the moment. This one needs a bigger pot, and I'm not sure whether to leave it until spring or whether or not I should wait. Like yeah, I should leave it till spring or like do it now. I don't really want to like shock the plant or anything, but it has got a new leaf popping up in the middle though, so it's not like it's not happy. It might just be because there's new and bigger leaves popping up and they don't need small leaves anymore, but it looks like there might be a little baby there. Not doing very well. But yeah, I kind of accidentally forgot about this because smaller baby plants kind of get forgotten about more than the bigger ones because they're hard to like see, they don't catch your eye as much. And the last one is my baby string of turtles. Now this plant I am literally battling with. I am watering it. I think I just need to pop it underneath my grow light because it's not very happy with me, and it was fine and then it just kind of started to hate me. So maybe if I put it underneath my grow lights with my other little plants, then maybe it should sort itself out. So yeah, those are the little plants that I got, and now for the grand finale. Now this is the day where I've been so excited to show you guys what I have, and oh my gosh, I am actually shook by how I even got this plant in the first place, like how it even happened. It's incredible because they're really hard to come by and they're a lot of money. So yeah, so oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you. I have bought a Philodendron Floral Ghost. Now I love this plant so much. It has lost a leaf since I got it. That is just because of the shipping. But apart from that, it's doing so well. We have a baby leaf and I love it so much. It's so adorable. It looks like there might be another leaf popping up in here. I can't really show you because it's so small and tiny and thin, but oh my gosh, Look how lovely these leaves are. The leaves are incredible. And I have this guy underneath a light and it's got a lot of humidity and it's just doing so well, and I am just, oh my gosh, I am so happy. So when I got it, it did come in a with sphagnum moss. But the problem is I'm not very good when it comes to sphagnum moss in terms of growing plants. I can propagate, but that's as far as I'll go. Just for now, until I really like am sure. And because this plant costs so much money and it's just so rare, I just really didn't want to risk it, so I did take out the sphagnum and then put soil in, and it's still doing so well. You can see the lovely roots. You can see that, it's crazy. But it's just so amazing. I absolutely love it so much. Like, honestly, I was so amazed at how I even be able to get this, and honestly, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It's incredible. It's just incredible. Yeah. And I'll tell you something, the Floral Ghost has actually got me into actually collecting some more, so I'm hopefully going to begin at some point in the future, I'll be putting on my wish list a Philodendron Silver, because I've seen this one in real life and I really want it now. It just might just be, I just don't know. I just didn't like it before because it had, like, you know, the hairy, like, it was like very hairy on the stems, whatever you call it, like the technical term. But yeah, now I just kind of like go, I really kind of want that now. So at some point I'm probably going to get it. But yeah, this is my Philodendron Floral Ghost and I'm so happy with it. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I really hoped you guys enjoyed it. This is surprisingly quite a short one, even though I bought like so many plants this month. And I kept telling myself to stop buying plants, literally stop buying them this month, you should just stop, and at some point I did stop. But yeah, I'm so happy with what I got this month, and I really hope that you enjoyed my little collection that I have going. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.